Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am back on day 12 of my Card a Day in July series. I did not get a card made yesterday, so in today's video I will be making days 11 and 12. I will kind of pre-warn you, this weekend is going to be very busy, and I need to make sure that I get my Oh So Inspired card up on the 15th, so I might not be back for a couple days with a Card a Day in July. Now, I do plan right now on making my Oh So Inspired one of the Card a Days, but we'll see how that goes. So please bear with me, and keep in mind that no matter what happens, I will have 31 cards at the end of this that one lucky subscriber is going to win. Now, if you don't know how you can enter to win this, make sure to check out the day 6 video, and I'll link it below and in the upper right corner now. So I hope you'll go check that out. If you want to enter to win, then you'll get all those details, but make sure to ask me if you have any questions. In front of me are the first 10 cards that I have made, and today I am going to show you how I made cards 11 and 12. I have already made those, so I will show those to you here in just a minute, and then I'm going to have the process videos at the end. Because time is tight, I'm not going to voice over the process videos, but if you have any questions about anything you see or any products, leave those in the comment section below and I will answer those for you. Let me go ahead and show you what I created. Here are cards 11 and 12. I again used the Sweet Blooms paper pad from Michaels, so you might recognize that from cards 9 and 10. One of them I made into a shaker, and the other one I used a clear card base for a clear card, and you can see I made use of the speech bubble from the die cut here on my second card. Just quickly, this stamp is one of the new releases from Reverse Confetti. I saw them preview that on Instagram and I just had to have it. I will tell you the name. The name of this set is The Most Beauty. Before I go to the process, I would like to ask that if you are enjoying this series, you give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and would like to know when I upload more videos, hit that subscribe button below and click on that bell so you get notifications. And as always, to my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for stopping back by. It's always appreciated, and I love seeing you give me thumbs up and leave me comments. I just love getting those, so I feel the love. Thank you so much. And here we go for today's process videos. I hope you enjoy.